Stuff in a circle. Just a quick one, as someone asked me about it recently. If you want to evenly duplicate objects in a circle, you get your object, you click on it, you go to object at the top here, come down to repeat, and then radial. Make this a bit bigger. And then you can choose how many stars. You can just have a half circle if you want. And you can also go to properties down the right hand side here and do it like this. Pretty snazzy. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. Do a subscribe, would you? Go on. Why not? Eh?